This is the Crazy Scottish Collector. Please like, comment and subscribe. Hi everybody, this is the Crazy Scottish Collector. Thank you for watching this video. Also welcome to all the new people that have subscribed over the past week or so, and also welcome back to everybody that usually watches. Sorry it's not Pops, doing a couple of Lego things at the moment. So this is the one that we've got here. It's Iron Man from Monger Mayhem. You get you can see Iron Man, paper pots, Odom, can you see it? Obadiah Stain. So we have, so there's the front of the cover, there's the back, so it is, so I'm showing you a few things. So we'll get this open, and we'll get, so there's no stickers in it, that in there. So, oh, there's the stickers there. Get stickers. The look is the wee blasters. Looks as if we'll get 3 bags. So there's number 3, number 1, and 2. So we'll put 2 and 3 over here. We'll get a wee quick look. There's the front of the cover. So obviously it tells you what we do. So we've got a lovely Iron Man. So we do. Show you. Get all the pages. So there's all the stuff that you can get that came out when this came out. I'll probably, I don't know when it came out, to be honest, but anyway, never mind. Oh, we need the book. So we will start page 1. Okay, ready?